In this video, we'll take a closer look at the recommended CCR settings for operating your LED PAPI 6.6 amps efficiently and safely. The Constant Current Regulator, CCR, supplies power to the PAPI system and determines its brightness based on the current setting. Each intensity level corresponds to a specific current output. The PAPI lights are supported by the following types of CCRs: a thyristor CCR, an IGBT CCR, and a ferroresonant CCR. When operating the PAPI via CCR, each intensity level setting delivers a specific current to the system. This ensures the projectors illuminate at the correct brightness based on the selected step. The S4GA LED PAPI can be configured for 3-step or 5-step operations depending on customer requirements. Individual step customization is also possible on request. The CCR must have a minimum power rating of 4 kVA or 4 kW. Ensure your CCR is configured according to the selected operation mode. Using the correct current settings is essential for achieving proper light intensity and avoiding damage to your equipment.